Hello everyone, and welcome to our brand new channel. If you're interested in finance, accounting, business tech, data analysis and management tools, investing, and making your work more efficient, you've come to the right place. I'm Patrick, your host for this channel, and I'm excited to share valuable insights and practical tips with you. In today's maiden video, I want to give you a sneak peek into the exciting topics we'll be covering on this channel. So, let's jump right in. Finance is the backbone of any successful business, and understanding its intricacies is vital. On this channel, we'll discuss various finance-related topics, such as financial analysis, budgeting, financial planning, and investment strategies. Whether you're a business owner, a finance professional, or simply interested in personal finance, we've got you covered. Next, let's talk about accounting and the tools that make it easier. We'll explore different accounting software and platforms, such as QuickBooks, Odoo, NetSuite, Sage Intacct, Zoho, SAP, Optimal, WorkPay, Snipeit, Microsoft Dynamics, and Tally. From bookkeeping basics to advanced accounting principles, we'll provide tutorials, tips, and best practices to streamline your financial record-keeping and reporting. Business tech is rapidly evolving, and staying up to date with the latest advancements can give you a competitive edge. We'll dive into topics like cloud computing, productivity tools, project management software, and automation solutions. Discover how technology can transform your business operations and make your work more efficient and effective. Data is a goldmine of insights, and harnessing it properly is crucial. We'll explore data analysis and management tools like Excel, Google Sheets, Power BI, and Tableau. Learn how to organize, analyze, and visualize data effectively to make data-driven decisions and drive business growth. Investing is a key aspect of personal finance, and we'll provide valuable guidance in this area. From understanding the stock market and different investment vehicles to exploring strategies for building wealth and managing risk, we'll help you navigate the world of investing with confidence. Lastly, we're passionate about making work easy and efficient. We'll share productivity hacks, time management strategies, and tips for achieving work-life balance. Discover tools and techniques to boost your productivity, enhance your focus, and achieve your professional goals without burning out. That's just a taste of what's to come on our channel. We're excited to provide you with valuable content that empowers you in the realms of finance, accounting, business tech, data analysis and management tools, investing, and work efficiency. If you're as excited as we are, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thank you for joining us today, and get ready for an incredible journey of knowledge and growth. We'll see you in the next video. Remember, success starts with knowledge. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.